Greetings, everyone. I am going to attempt to make what they call the 99, and you can get this at Wayne Gretzky Estates Winery. I've had it numerous times. I will say I love the branding on all of the Wayne Gretzky Estate Winery products. So come along and watch and see if I can replicate the 99. So the recipe calls for an ounce of Red Cask whiskey, an ounce of Cab Merlot in a glass with ice. Actually, we're going to pour it into this shaker filled with ice. I already got the ice prepared. And it's going to be an ounce of whiskey, an ounce of the red wine, some lime juice, and some simple syrup shaken into this and then poured into a glass filled with ice. And then you pour some more of the red wine over top of a spoon so that the red wine kind of sits on top. So let's see if I can recreate that. Now I'm going to use the ounce and a half part of this shot glass because I like mine a little stronger. Okay, so don't do what I did. The recipe online actually said to put the wine in the shaker cup as well, along with the whiskey and the lime and the simple syrup, which I kind of thought was wrong because I've had it before and I thought that red wine's going to make that part of the drink look red. And the cool thing about this drink is that it looks kind of like a cloudy yellow on the bottom, and then you can see the red wine on top. And I thought for sure if we put the red wine in this and mix it all together with the whiskey and the lime and the syrup, that it's just going to come out like a pink color. And this is what it came out like. So I'm going to try this again and we'll see if it works. So basically I shake these until it is so cold I can't hold on to it anymore. So that is the color that I'm looking for there. Something similar. Okay, so here is the moment of truth. It says to pour the red wine over top of a spoon, and so that it stays on top of the drink. Look at that. Maybe a little bit too much red, but really, is there ever such a thing as too much red? But you can see the difference in color. Maybe, I think when I've had it before, it has been a little bit less red, maybe like 1/3 red, 2/3 of the other mix. But for my first time doing this, I think it turned out great. So hopefully this helps you in your home bartending lifestyle. And we will be back for some more.